What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I got a new gift for Christmas. The Pixel Stand 2nd generation from Google. Let's check it out. Alright, so this is the Pixel Stand 2nd generation from Google, or the Pixel Stand 2, whatever you want to call it. It is a 23-watt wireless charging stand that you can charge up your Pixel 6 Pro, your Pixel 6, also any Qi wireless compatible device like an iPhone 13, 12, 11, also the Samsung devices. You could also charge your Pixel Buds from 2020 that are wireless charging. Now, I picked this up from the Google store. They shipped this out to me. I finally got it. You could also pick it up from Best Buy. I'll leave some links down in the description that you can pick this up. Now, let's go ahead and unbox this sucker here. Opens up right there. And then you just got your wireless stand here. Now, this is has like a rubberized bottom, so it's very sturdy, so that it could sit on your nightstand or wherever you want to have it in the kitchen. Now, it has a little indentation there so that you can charge up your Pixel Buds right there, or any other buds that are wireless charging, and also your phone. Obviously, it does have an LED light right there that will light up when this is plugged in. So we'll put that there. And then you also get your, which I found kind of interesting. Obviously, you get all your books here. You get a 30-watt Google charger. Now, this sells separately, but this comes with the Pixel Stand. So you're actually kind of getting a little bit of a, you're getting this. You're not going to get a cable this long, probably with this charger if you buy it separately. So this is a little longer cable, I believe. I could be wrong on that, but you get this kind of powers your wireless charger, which is great. Put all that to the side, and there's nothing there. That's just kind of like a placeholder so that you don't, we're gonna put this back in here. And then we're gonna turn this bad boy on. I also have the original Pixel Stand here. We'll kind of compare and contrast the sizes right now before we turn this bad boy on. As you can see, it's a little different. This is a little whiter. This has like a little bit of a off-white maybe. Has that orange bottom, has that little cable. This one, the cable just goes straight into the back, where this one, you kind of put it through there, and it kind of, I think I like that a little nicer. This one has ridges too, so it doesn't fall, but you do get this little, so that you don't, your thing doesn't fall or whatever. So we're gonna go ahead and power this bad boy on and get it going with the Pixel 6 Pro. All right, so I set this up, got plugged in and everything. It comes with the Type-C cable here on the back, and when you put it on here, you get this menu here. I will also see, I have a Ghost Tech here case. I will put it on there to make sure that it works. But it says, set up your Pixel Stand for easy access to Google Assistant. So this will work as basically a Google Home device, or your photo albums, whatever you want to do. So we're gonna go ahead and hit next. Got to get the fingerprint in there. It's checking my info. So we're gonna go ahead and check out the info, so that everything is set up correctly. All right, now it says quietly control your connected devices, control your lights. So you could do all your, your home devices. And then it asks for my email, which I'll agree to. So I have a smart indoor plug, which is the one I have in the garage in the studio here. And also I have my AC. I don't have a lot of smart things. Not really a smart device kind of guy. And then you just kind of go through your menu here. I agree. Set your photos on ambient display. I'm gonna do no thanks for now. Turn on do not disturb while on stand. No thanks for now. Wake up sunrise alarm. No thanks for now. Charging is optimized based on your usage. You can change how the Pixel Stand. All right, so we'll do that now. So you have three options here. You have optimize, you have max, and you have quiet. So optimize, charge based on your usage, recommended for most situations. Now max charging, it charges as rapidly as possible, and there are fans on the Pixel Stand that will cool your device while it is fast charging. So the fans are going to be a little loud, so if you're sleeping, this may be an issue for you. Now you have quiet charging, which the fans are very low so that you can. So I'm gonna keep it on optimized for now because that's kind of cool. Ready to go. Your pixel stand is set up. And you see this is your quick controls here. This is your quick controls. So I'm gonna add my quick controls to the thing. Turn on. Continue as my email. I'll do smart plug and my AC. So as you see, my smart plug is there, and then my AC is there. So if I want to do cooling, I can set the temperature, do whatever I want to do with the smart plug. I'm going to do max charge and see how long it takes for the device to charge up. Okay, so now it's 35%. It's charged wirelessly and it'll be full in 1 hour and 42 minutes. So it takes about an hour and a half to charge all the way full. It's 23 watts, so it's charging pretty fast. So you can't complain there. Now, the other thing I wanted to do is put this in a case so that you could see exactly if it works, and it does. As you see there, it's charging, it's doing its thing, charged wirelessly. If I want to go to my menu, I can go there, or my smart plug, also my AC, and you can see, and you could change the way you want it to charge. If you just go to that settings menu, you could do charging mode, put on optimize, max, whatever you want to do. I'll keep it on optimized for now. The other one, this is the original Pixel stand, so we'll put that one here. There it is. It is charging, as you can see. And it's asking me to do all the stuff there, which I'm not going to do for now because I just want to see how long it's taking to charge. So it's basically the same thing. So it says full in 1 hour and 42 minutes on the regular Pixel stand. So if we go back over here onto the Pixel stand 2, you can go into your settings here and set for max. So that's going to charge it as fast as possible. Optimize is regular. That charges basically as fast as the Pixel stand 1. Quiet is going to take a little longer. Well, that's going to do it, man. I'm Android Stud. If you guys want to pick this up from Google or Best Buy, leave some links down in the description. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I'm Android Stud. I appreciate you guys watching. Hope you enjoy your new Pixel stand 2 from Google. That's going to do it. I'm out of here. Peace. And I'll leave you with the sound of all my fans.